Hi everyone, this is Joseph from TORRAS Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case from TORRAS for your Galaxy Z Fold 4, but before I get into this review, check this out. Alright everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is the TORRAS Shockproof case with a pen holder. I wanted to pick up this case and try it out and just see how it compares to my other cases that I have. I do like that it has a pen holder, and we will see how good that is. And it says shockproof, so apparently you can drop it and protect your phone. But like we normally do in my videos, we'll make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? You know, can you wireless charge? Now, I did do another video, I think a day ago, the TORRAS kickstand case. So that one, y'all can check out too if you want to. And you can actually combine the pen holder with the kickstand, and it works pretty good. The unique thing about TORRAS is that they're claiming that they don't need the adhesive strips. And I've actually been using the kickstand case, you know, for a day now, and it works out pretty good. It doesn't come off unless you really try to pull at it. So we'll test out this one and see how it goes too. Again, you gotta like the presentation from them. It's actually pretty good. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. It says simple but unique. Let me get a knife and open this bad boy up. All right, if you watch my other TORRAS video, you see how this opens up. So this is the shockproof case. Now this bag kind of looks like the kickstand, but without the kickstand. I do like that translucent matte finish. We have a little TORRAS there. Now, one thing I noticed is that the power button, the volume rockers are closed up on this one, and the power button's there. That is different. And then this is probably just the top part. And then this is the front of the case, and it does have the little pen holder there in the front. All right, so let me pick up this stuff here. All right, so here's the back of the case. Let's install that one first. Make sure it's on there good. Then here's the front. I do have a pen to try out the pen holder. We want to make sure that this snaps in and it's in place, because we're going to test and make sure you can, you know, not pull it off. But look, that is the pen holder. I like that back though. Do you get lip protection? Camera protection in the back? You do. It's not a lot. I wouldn't slam my phone down. On the front, same thing. You get some protection around there. No hinge protection. The bottom lines up great. The top and bottom up here looks good. This is how it looks when you open it. And this fits pretty good there. Let's check out the pen. Here's a pen. How easy is it to get in and out? Pretty simple. So does it add bulk to your phone? This part does. This part sticking out definitely does, but it doesn't add much weight to your phone. Not at all. Can you get to the power button with the pen in there? It does get a little cramped, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm still doing it, look. But the pen is kind of in the way. The volume rocker, same thing. If you look at it, it's in there. The buttons are easy to press, but with the pen in there, it does get a little crowded though with my fingers. But it's not bad. It's not like horrible design. Can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge with it. Not a problem either. Now, let's test out something. Can you... Okay, this one. Look, I'm pulling. This one, what a case. Y'all. I don't know if y'all see that, but look, I had to pull really hard to get that one off. This one, a little bit, but pulling this, so opening and closing it is not going to move on you. So no adhesive strips are needed with this case. It does have the little pen holder there. What y'all think about that? It does add a little bit of bulk to the left side of your case. There it is, open here. So you do get lip action because you have, you know, a little bulge there, a little raised lip, I should say. Pause. And then also the edge there. So, man, what y'all think about this case? Y'all let me know. I might be rocking this one too. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this case. If you want to pick it up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.